it going, guys? This is Time FK7. Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see behind me, I have some wheels that just arrived from Fitment X. Let's go. So these are the wheels that Fitment X sent to me. I can't really reveal them just yet, but this is just a video on YouTube. You can always skip forward to see what kind of wheels I got for the Type R. And yes, it's for the Type R and not for the Sport, unfortunately. And the reason why I got wheels for the Type R is because stock, this car has 20-inch wheels and very, very thin tires. And there's not much tires that I can fit on this that'll last me a long time. So every 10,000 miles or so, I would need to replace these wheels. Unfortunately, they do look nice, but the tire tread is just terrible. So on my last video, we kind of riced out the car. We put carbon fiber side mirror caps as well as real carbon fiber hood scoop, and we blacked out the door handles over there. So in this video, we're gonna take it further. We're gonna be changing out the wheels. I got 245, 35, 18. I chose to do a smaller wheel because, like I said, 20 inches is a little bit too big for this car. I also, since we're doing smaller wheels, I also purchased myself some lowering springs from iBack. Just in case this car sits a little bit high with the new wheels, at least I'll have a backup plan to lower the car if it does look a little bit high. Right now with the 20-inch wheels, the car does sit fine. It's not too low, not too high. It's actually perfect. But yeah, with these new wheels, if it's too high, I'm gonna be lowering it. So just sit back, relax. We're gonna change out the wheels on the Type R. I know a lot of you guys are wondering when I'm gonna be changing out the wheels on the FK7, and my answer is soon. I do have to admit though, the packaging on this thing is really nice. It's well packaged. There's cardboard in the front and the back to prevent the wheel from getting damaged. And this plastic wrap all over. So props to Fitment X or Fitment Industries for packaging this so neatly and nicely. The wheels already come balanced and inflated to the correct tire pressure. So if we go over here, this is, since this wheel is ceramic coated, they gave me some refresh spray. So if I wanted to, you know, make these wheels shiny again because they are ceramic coated, just spray this on. And it does use different lug nuts because our stock ones are a little bit too fat. So if we compare, let's compare this one and this one, so much different. This one's a little bit, this one's a lot more smaller. This one's big and fat and heavy. And then we have our Konig badges with some screws, because you do need to install this onto the wheel. It doesn't come with caps, so you got to do it yourself. Let's take the wheel off the Type R first and put on the new ones. this is actually a reshoot because for some reason my file got deleted or corrupted. I don't know what happened to my file. But this is the new wheel. This is the Konig Ampliform. This is their FlowForge series wheel that they have. I've seen this on many different cars, not many on the Type R, only because these do look pretty much identical to the stock ones. The only difference is that this is a gunmetal color. They also offer this in, I believe, a copper color, if I remember, because as you can see right here, this is a glossy black color, very, very heavy. This weighs about 51 pounds, I believe. And whereas this one weighs about 42 pounds from what I remember. I got this ceramic coated as well because on Fitment Industries website, they give you an option if you want them to ceramic coat the wheels, which I opted in. And I left my spacers on. And this wheel is actually sort of just poking out just a little bit. I'm gonna see if this will cause any issues. If this does cause any issues, I'm gonna have to remove my spacers, obviously, because I don't want this rubbing onto this wide body fender that this car has. So this side is pretty much done. I just have to lower it and we should be good to go. I'll show you guys a before and after. Cool. These are the stock wheels on the FK8, or aka the Type R. This is after I installed the new wheels onto the car. And I could say that it does make a big difference because these wheels, the wheel size on this car now actually suit the car even better. Right now the ride height looks fine. It looks a little bit high, but that's because the springs, again, I need to wait for it to set. But if we look over here on this side, you can see the wheel on the back is kind of poking out a little bit. So let me take you guys a little bit closer. Yeah, so this wheel is poking out a little bit, but I'm gonna drive and see if this will change, if it'll rub onto the fender. If it does, then obviously we would need to take the spacer off. But if we look at the front, the gap isn't that much on the fender right there. You see the wheel gap? It's not there anymore. Whereas if we go over here, this is such a huge wheel gap. It's like that big on the stock wheels. And I do have the spacers there as well, and it's not poking out as much. Only 2 fingers can go in. And then in the front, same thing, just 2 fingers. And if we go over here, where the stock wheel is, see if we can fit, just about 1 finger fits in there. On the rear, 2 and just a little bit over 2 fingers can fit. And I'm gonna put some wheel shine to make the wheels nice and shiny black so that this gunmetal gray would really pop. What a difference tire shine does to the wheel, because as you can see, that is with the wheel shine, this is without, and it looks gray, faded, it blends in with the wheel pretty much. But if we go over here with the shiny ass wheel, shiny tire, it has a cleaner, more slicker look, and I'm really happy with the result. So we're gonna go ahead, put some wheel shine on that, or tire shine I mean. I'm doing the Armor All Extreme tire shine. Personally, I like to, since the wheels are already ceramic coated, I don't want to like make them dirty by spraying tire shine on it. So I spray tire shine on the microfiber towel, and then I wipe. Okay, so I drove the car for a little bit and the springs did go down a bit. So if you look right here, I can only fit just about 2 fingers. And in the front, about the same, just about 2 fingers. But these wheels on this car look amazing, especially the metallic gray color, the gunmetal gray color of these wheels. They really look a lot shinier than normal wheels because they are ceramic coated, and they are super shiny. Look at this. If you want wheels like this, go to Fitment Industries website because they do offer a wheel and tire package. That's the one that I got, and they make sure that it fits your car. Just choose your car, choose your specific car, and then their website would say whether or not it'll fit your car. Because if you're like me, you're an absolute noob when it comes to wheels, their website will help you out. I didn't have to balance it or anything or put air in the tires. Everything was just done. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah, guys, check out Fitment Industries website. I'll be linking them down below as well if you're interested in purchasing a nice set of wheels for your ride. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you guys think of this video. Also, if you're interested in LED lighting or floor mats for your car or any other car accessories, be sure to check out LASFIT's website because they are having a sale right now, 15% off. If you use my code CTFK715, I believe, you get 15% off. This sale will last until the end of August, so take the opportunity to get your stuff, not just for this car, but it goes for any car. So be sure to check that out. Also, I will be linking my other affiliates down below: Ultimate Motorsports, American Modified. I will be linking them down below. Use my code because you do get a discount as well if you're interested in car parts for your 10th gen Honda Civic. Thank you all for watching. As always, this is Time FK7. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.